Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, Vimal here, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of people keep looking to buy good quality TWS buds with features like active noise cancellation, high resolution audio codec format support, obviously good battery life, touch controls and something like that at a reasonable budget price, right? I think this video could be very helpful for you. So I got my hands on brand new TWS from OnePlus. This is their all new Nord Buds 4 Pro which they recently launched the Indian market, guys. And I've been using these buds for the last couple of days, almost like 10-12 days, and today in this video I'll be sharing like my experience, feedback, basically talk about all the things that I felt during my testing phase. So without wasting any more time, guys, first of all let me give you like a closer look and get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Buds 4 Pro from OnePlus came in this sort of packaging. Very similar sort of packaging, guys, just like the other OnePlus Buds. On the front you got the model mentioned, some of its main highlights as well. And at the beginning only I've told you, right, these Buds 4 Pro also supports active noise cancellation and high definition audio codecs. We'll talk about all of them in this video. So the Buds 4 Pro are available in like two different colors. You get Radiant Grey and Raven Black as well. I believe we have the black color edition. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly grab my knife, cut this seal and quickly unbox it and show you how the product looks like. There you go, our brand new Buds 4 Pro from OnePlus came in this sort of packaging, and as I've told you, we have the black color edition, and oh boy, check out the whole design, guys. Along with that, in the package you're also getting some accessories like a USB-C cable, paperwork and also some extra ear tips, and that is pretty much it. These are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the case and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Very beautiful looking design. In fact, it's actually quite compact and comes in a lightweight profile. I believe the case hardly weighs around like 40 grams including the buds. On the front you've got the OnePlus branding, and check out the whole finishing as well. You're getting a soft touch matte feel everywhere and definitely feels quite premium. Anyways, one more thing I forgot to mention is these buds are also IP55 rated, dust and water resistant, so definitely appreciate that. On the case you're only getting like a battery charging indicator and a pairing button on the bottom side with a Type-C port for charging. Just like the case, here also you're getting a simple matte black finish, and definitely love the whole clean design, guys. Each of these buds come with like 3 microphones on board, totally 6 microphones, and can offer like real-time pro level active noise cancellation. So that was our quick unboxing and complete overview on the design and build quality. As I've told you guys, beautiful looking design for the price point, clean, minimal and modern looking design, and I really love the soft touch finish as well on both the case and the buds. Now let me first tell you about the comfort and in-ear feel. Each of the buds, as I've told you, weigh only around like 4.4 grams, so super lightweight. You can easily put them on, and the overall fit and feel is also nice. They offer a snug fit and feel quite comfortable even for long hours of usage. One more thing I forgot to mention is they come with like full touch controls, not single piece but both the earpieces. You can completely customize and set up various sort of controls. You can play, pause the music, even slide up and down to adjust the volume level. Spotify tap is also integrated over here, and last but not the least, you can even swap between active noise cancellation or transparency mode. Yes, ambient mode control is also available. In case if you're using the buds on a OnePlus phone only, right, all the controls, customization, everything is readily available in OnePlus operating system. If you're using some other phone, you'll need to install this app called as Hey Melody, guys. From there you can completely customize the touch controls, active noise cancellation, ambient mode, EQ customization and plenty of other stuff. So keeping all of those aside, let's talk about the ANC performance. At the beginning only I've told you, right, you're getting 6 microphones over here, 3 per earbud, and offer excellent active noise cancelling up to 55 dB. It was greatly reducing any sort of unnecessary low frequency background sounds, maybe like fan noise or PC sounds or even like construction sounds happening in your colony or something like that. So you can purely enjoy music. So good thing over here is the ANC level is customizable. You can switch between low, moderate or even high as per the scenario and requirement, and setting it to high mode uses its AI algorithm for a real-time adaptive effect based on the ambience. Honestly speaking, for me, right, I felt low or moderate option was offering the best balance. Again, not just ANC, but you're also getting ambient mode support over here called transparency. In case if you want to focus more what is happening around you without actually taking out the buds, simply long touch the buds to switch between ANC or transparency mode. This way you can easily keep keep a track on any sort of messages, notifications, or even like announcements happening, especially if you're like at the airport or maybe railway station or something like that. It's also great for having like conversations without taking out the buds. One more great feature I found is the buds also support real-time AI translation. It supports multiple languages like Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and even Indian languages also, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, and so many more options are there, guys. It is super useful, especially if you travel a lot. I know, this is the part you've been waiting for, right? Like, how's the overall sound quality? Because that is the main thing, audio performance, right? Well, the Buds 4 Pro come with large 12mm titanium coated dynamic drivers with extended frequency response range from 20 Hz to all the way up to 40 kHz, and even support high-res audio as well. And honestly, I've been testing out the Buds for the last couple of days, and overall audio quality was really good for this price point. Mids felt crisp and clear, vocal clarity was also nice, and dialogues were also clean and audible. Treble performance was also good. It was producing smooth treble with minimum harshness, all thanks to its smooth high frequency roll off. And coming to the bass, I think bass was the main highlight over here. So thing is, you're getting large 12mm drivers, right? So these 12mm dynamic drivers were producing like tight and punchy bass, especially when you're listening to EDM music or maybe DJ night, stuff like that, right? I was totally enjoying the low frequency response. On the overall, these TWS have a well-rounded and balanced sound profile, which makes it perfect for like long hours of usage without actually getting tired. THD levels are also minimum, and audio output are also loud and satisfactory only, guys. I had no issues. The Buds not only support your regular audio codecs like SBC or AAC, but even have support for high definition audio codecs, LHDC 5.0 support, which is very rare on a TWS around this price point. So it's called as low latency high definition audio codec that can stream music up to 24-bit 192 kHz for a premium music experience. Though keep in mind that your phone also should support LHDC 5.0, otherwise it's not going to work. Lastly, one more feature I forgot to mention is the Buds 4 Pro also support game mode for a low latency experience, guys. It only has around like 47 milliseconds of low latency, and even if you want to play games with the Buds, right, the overall experience was good. I've played a couple of games like Asphalt, BGMI as well, and the latency was like quite minimum, so suitable for gaming as well. Only thing I felt is, I really wish the price was slightly a bit lower. It roughly costs around like 3,999 rupees. Maybe if it was priced around like 2,999, it would have been a killer TWS on budget. I'll try to leave a link for that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Hey, wait a second, I forgot to tell you about the battery life, right? Battery life is actually pretty good over here, but it can totally depend on the individual and their sort of usage also. Like for example, if you're a guy, you're using these buds with active noise cancellation, then obviously battery life will be a bit less. On a moderate sort of usage with the volume set to around like 55-60%, and if you're not using ANC, on a single charge you can easily get around like 10 to 11 hours of battery life. But in case if you enable ANC, then you'll only get around like maybe 6 or 7 hours, guys. But not to forget, the case also comes with a built-in battery, right? Totally, along with the case, you can easily expect around like 50 to 52 hours of music playback, which is pretty good, I would say. So that's it, time to wrap it up. That was our video on OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. What do you people think? Definitely share your thoughts in the comment section down below. As I've told you, the pricing and all links, everything I'll try to leave in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.